Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to add your Twitch or YouTube live chat to OBS Studio so your viewers can see messages directly on your stream. If you want a more professional looking stream, this is one of the easiest upgrades you can make. Let's get started. If you are live streaming but your audience can't see your chat on screen, don't worry. With the free Streamlabs widget and OBS Studio, you can display your live chat anywhere on your stream in just a few minutes. First, open the browser. Search for Streamlabs. Open the official Streamlabs website. Click Login in the top right corner. Now sign in with the platform you stream on. If you stream on Twitch, sign in with your Twitch account. If you stream on YouTube, Kick, TikTok or another supported platform, choose that option instead. Once you are signed in, look at the left sidebar. Click chat box under the widget section. This is where you will create and customize your live chat overlay. At the top, you will see several chat styles. Choose the one you like best. If you prefer, you can keep the default style. Scroll down if you want to customize your chat even more. You can change the font, text size, colors, background, animation, spacing, and many other settings. As you make changes, you will see a live preview at the top of the page. Once you are happy with the design, click Save Settings. Now click Copy Widget URL at the top of the page. Keep this URL private because it's linked to your account. Now switch to OBS Studio. Under the Sources panel, click the plus icon. Choose Browser. Create a new source. You can name it Chatbox or anything you like. Click OK. You will see a default browser URL. Delete it. Paste the Streamlabs widget URL you copied earlier. Then click OK. Your chat box will now appear in the OBS preview. If it looks too large or too small, simply drag the corners to resize it. Move it anywhere you want on your stream. Many streamers place it beside or below their webcam, but you can position it wherever it best fits your layout. Now let's test everything. Open your Twitch or YouTube channel. Send a few messages in your live chat. You should immediately see those messages appear in OBS. Try sending both short and longer messages to make sure everything fits the way you want. If necessary, adjust the size or position until it looks perfect. Once you are happy with the placement, click the lock icon next to the browser source. This prevents you from accidentally moving it while editing your scenes. That's all. The next time you go live, your viewers will be able to see your chat directly on your stream, making your broadcast more interactive and engaging. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to add your Twitch or YouTube live chat to OBS Studio using a free Streamlabs chat widget. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.